Which hormone regulates metabolism? Thyroxine. Which nerve controls the diaphragm? Phrenic nerve. Normal daily requirement of iron in adult female is 18 mg. Which hormone regulates calcium metabolism? Parathyroid hormone. Which is vector of malaria? Anopheles mosquito. Which vitamin acts as antioxidant? Vitamin A, C, E, all of the above. Which drug is used in hypertension? All of the above. Amlodipine, atenolol, enalapril. Which condition is called low blood sugar? Hypoglycemia. Which blood cells produce antibodies? Beta lymphocyte. Which hormone helps in childbirth contraction? Oxytocin. Which organ is called graveyard of RBC? Spleen. Which vitamin prevents neural tube defect? Folic acid. B9. Which disease is caused by Bordetella pertussis? Whooping cough. Which is the universal blood recipient? AB positive.